Hello everybody, here's a new tutorial from Fair Darren. This one is how for you to create your own website for free. Okay, it's quite simple and you will need Wi-Fi and the internet basically. So you want to search up Google Sites. Of course, Microsoft Edge. Wait, there. Now back in Chrome, as you can see, you won't see this. Okay, just saying. Go click on this. Create new sites. Have this spinny ball thing. Oh yeah, sorry for the pausing. Technical issues, if I can say. You can enter your page title. I'll call mine this, See? You can call it whatever you want. Then you can add some pages, themes, and text. There. So basically, and also you can add images. You can add Google embeds, and it's actually quite easy to learn. So hope you make good stuff with me, good stuff with this. And remember, it's for free, no subscription. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, share it with all your friends, and tell your friends to share them with all your friends. Goodbye.